Mikey, we've arrived in LA. How you feeling?
Tired.
That's good. We got a solid 3 hours here.
Yep.
And
3 hours, 7-hour flight.
There you go.
Sleep through the whole thing, baby.
What is up, world? This is Ryan Wilson, and Mikey and I just got into our first destination here in Costa Rica. We're gonna be staying in La Fortuna, and we got an Airbnb for the first 5 nights. And so I'm just gonna quickly show you around the Airbnb. This is the space: living room, dining room, kitchen. I'll take you over here so we can take a look at the bedrooms. But we got a couple different bedrooms, 3 beds, there's just 2 of us. This is where Mikey is going to be staying tonight. He's got the king suite. This is my room. I got 2 beds. Wanted to show you the place real quick before we got it way too messy. But long story short, we are here in Costa Rica. Mikey just graduated, so we wanted to come celebrate that. Gonna spend 5 nights here, then we're gonna go spend 6 nights in Tamarindo. Gonna have a lot of adventures, some partying, we will see. But just wanted to take you guys along with us. I know this is gonna be a fun trip, so I hope you enjoy. All right, see you guys soon. Yo, 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 what up, world? It's our first real day here in Costa Rica. As you can see behind me, we're staying at the base of a volcano, so that's kind of cool. But today we're gonna go grab some brunch, figure out what there is to do around this place, maybe book some tours, and yeah, we're really just gonna check out the city. It's super small. Alright, just got our first lunch here. Mikey's got to get the snap. Alright, first activity, made it to, well, not the actual volcano. We're going to go on some hanging bridges. And then after that to the hot springs. Look at this view behind me, it's crazy. This is dope. Dude, this view. All right, guys, on the middle of a suspension bridge. Got jungle this direction, Mikey this direction, just looking at his phone, and a volcano that direction.
I'm just holding on, baby.
Just holding on. Let's go, this is awesome. You want chasing waterfalls again? Always.
Always chasing waterfalls.
Always. And yeah, now that's the end of the day. Mikey, where are we?
Baldi.
We're at a wild hot spring, and it's pouring.
He's coming down.
Oh my gosh, this is tight.
Dude, look at all this water.
I know. What up? Out here. The ATV'ing. Check out this view. Out here with my boy Mike. We're ATVing. I got stuck once already. A little bit muddy.
I'm clean, but it happens. How are you still muddy?
Dude, I just sent it. The boys. For the boys.
Yo! Oh, here it comes. Vroom, vroom. Vamos! No, I've had it on, but now I gotta follow you, Mike.
Yeah.
Giddy up! Hey, Mike. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Is that my Instagram caption?
It just might be. You're a big waterfall chaser. Oh, there it is. We can see it again. Kind of.
I got that recorded.
No more digging. No, bars, no balls.
Oh my god. Bye bye.
Yeah, bend your knees, sit down, and I'm gonna tell you. Sit down, man. Hey, bud. Are you okay with your balls, buddy? This right? Now hold this with both hands. Hold one, whatever you want.
All right.
Now sit down, bend your knees, and voila.
Woo! 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 Obviously did the zip lining and all that. That was a lot of fun. We're about to go rafting here.